two-handed job. Trigger with nuts and washers. As you can see, it's held on by this bolt. When you get this bolt off, the anti-roll bar's in the way, so you can't get it out. So we need to remove the two bolts from the anti-roll bar. Once these are removed, you can lower this end, and then pull the bolts out. Lift up the spacers when you remove it. So there's a spacer at each end. And give it a new one. Much better on the old one. I'm not talking just yet. Need to get the suspension under load first. Refit the anti-roll bar. Now I've got it back in. happy to LE500 upper arms. Fit to all LE500s and Malaysia TFs, Chambewa Chinese. You have like a smooth hole through the middle, there's no thread in there. So you need like a dog bolt that fits in there. You can't fit these to an earlier TF because there's no thread, you'd have to change the bolt as well. And you can't fit the earlier threaded arms to an LE500 because the bolt won't fit through the hole, you'd have to change the bolt. It looks like this arm's going to need changing because the bushers had it in it. This is the same situation, you need to lower the anti-roll bar to get the bolt out. So you have to remove the arm. Got them two bolts that way. A bit fiddly with the lambda sensor in the way. And pop that out. Just have to bend the heat shield out of the way to get to them. See how bad that bush is. I think that's a result of it might be a result of somebody hitting the car. Got a new arm from Browns and Gowns, the LE500 one with the no thread in the hole. I just need to refit it back on. You can't get the shock absorber off the arm. The trick is you can remove the arm with the shock absorber attached, then remove the shock absorber, undo the bolt to remove the shock absorber from the arm, and you can put some heat on the arm and knock the bolt out that way. I can just move the arm out of the way, leaving it attached to the ball joint, and get the shock absorber off the end of it. On the top of the shock absorber, these two bushes, usually black. These are poly bush ones from Rimmer Brothers. Now you go a particular way up, so as you see you've got like a dome shape with a lip around the edge there, both the same, and there's two of them. The bottom one fits to the shock absorber first, has the dome to the top, so that fits in the recess in the subframe, and the top one you put on top of the subframe when you fit the shock absorber, and that goes down onto it, and that bit there fits in the recess on the subframe against the meat in the middle. If you fit them the wrong way round, will deform. You can just buy replacement bushes, or you can get complete replacement kits which do new bolts rather than replacing the arm. I'm not going to torque that up until I've got all the shock absorber fitted and got in place and under load, so I don't get the bush deformed. You need to put plenty of copper grease in the recess when you refit the shock absorber, otherwise you'll never get the bolt back out again. Now I've got the bolt in place, and I'll put the anti-roll bar back in place. the anti-roll bar back on.